Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. Thanks so much for joining me today. I have a special episode. This is something that's very near and dear to my heart, something that I've been doing for a little while, and I wanted to bring you in on my little secret, if you will, my little side passion. I am proud to say that I am a Raktivist. A Raktivist is a random act of kindness-tivist. And I've mentioned this in some of my previous videos. And what I do is I just, sometimes it's something like, paying forward. Maybe if I'm at Starbucks, I'll pay for the people behind me. Or, going to a fast food restaurant, or just something that looks like somebody needs a little bit of help. And, and anonymously, I will go ahead and take care of that. But what I've started doing, and I really enjoy these, is I'm making these little treasures, these little things out of some of my scrap yarns, and I just leave them around. So when we travel, I have a little bag of them with me, and I'll leave them on like a fence post or a little park bench or something so it doesn't look like trash. So I had these little like business cards printed up, and I got a cute little hole punch that makes little tiny hearts. See how cute those are. Anyway, so I have these random cards, and I would put a picture on the back that says like ripple effect. Or what's another one? Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Little pictures like this. So it's just an assortment of little cards. Here's one with just a little ripple in a water. And this is my my motto for life. It's the way that I kind of try to live my life every day, which is the Gandhi quote, "Be the change you want to see in the world." This is pretty much who I am, how I try to live my life. I've also got little pictures like these. Aren't we all humans? Then why can't we live in peace? So as you can see, they're just little feel-good cards. And before COVID happened, when the world was just, kind of maybe just a confused place, and especially during COVID, I just felt like it was important that we all take a break, take a step back, take a time out, and realize how we impact each other in this world, and that we share this world with, our other earthmates, if you will. And it's our responsibility to, in my opinion, make this world as good a place as we possibly can, not only for ourselves, but for those people around us who we share this world with, this planet with. And so any little act of kindness that I could do personally, maybe, who knows what kind of an impact it's going to have, what kind of a ripple it's going to have. So I started making these little cards. Kindness, it has the power to change lives. And what I did is I got this little hole punch, and I put cute little hearts in it. And on the back of it, I put, "You have been treated to a random act of kindness. Pay it forward." Ripple, and this is something that I came up with. It could have been copied, but I swear this was original. Ripple stands for respect, integrity, peace, purpose, and love. We can affect change. And then I have a Facebook page that I started called Ripple for Change, and an Instagram that I have, #Ripple for Change, with the idea that I would leave these little crochet tokens around to make people happy, and that they would then go and hopefully post a picture of their little trinket, whatever it was that they found, on either the Facebook page or the Instagram page, and then we would just kind of spread a little bit of kindness and a little bit of cheer throughout the world. So that's what I started doing. This is one of, and I just kind of come up with a little inspiration. I'm like, I'm going to make some of those. So this is a little bee, as in like be happy, be the change, right? And then I attach a little ring to it, and this business card, this little card like that, and then I just leave it in fun little places. So this is my current little Ripple for Change project. It's just a simple, sweet little amigurumi bee, but I kind of like them a lot. I think they're super doggone cute. And so this is one, and I've got hearts and dragonflies and butterflies. So on this channel, I'm going to start regularly posting pictures of the little whatever it is that I'm making at the time for my little random act of kindness. And I'll also include a pattern. This is something that I have created usually. I try to just, make my own little patterns, but I'm happy to share them with you. And so if you are so inclined that you could then go ahead and make some hearts or bees, of course, only if you want to, right? Only if you want to be a part of it, and share what you've created on that page, and then just go out and share it with the world. The idea is not that you're making something, going out and buying something and sharing it, but that you're making something with scraps of yarn or any kind of craft pieces that you had, that you're making something kind of cute and sweet, and just sharing it with the world. So that's what I started doing. And I have to be honest, I would put these out. I didn't do, the Facebook page is a relatively new thing that I'm doing. So there's not a lot of activity there yet, but there's going to be. So this is my random act of kindness. This is my first segment on my random act of kindness that I'm doing. And as I come up with little ideas and little amigurumis, I'll share it here on this page. But I really invite you. This one is important to me. It's near and dear to my heart. We've got almost 1,000 friends here. Can you only imagine if each one of us goes out and does like one amigurumi? That would be like almost 1,000 or more if you just, whenever you decide to watch this, that we would go out there and maybe put a smile on somebody's face, or maybe a little kid finds this, So that being said, these are safety eyes. I did make sure that if I was putting it out there, it would have safety eyes, or maybe no eyes at all. I've got little hearts and things like that. But just something to make somebody smile. So I invite you as friends here on Knit for Brains to maybe find something that speaks to you, or do one of the patterns that I've got here. And then maybe just, put some out on your own. And then if you do, please, please, please post them on that Facebook page, which is Ripple for Change. I'll have all of it in the comments below. Or also on the Instagram. And, hopefully somebody will see it and then they'll post something on that page. I was posting on another page. There is an official Raktivist page, Random Act of Kindness page. And so a lot of my things popped up there. But this is my own page. So, where someone posts it, great, fantastic. Or maybe they don't post it all, but maybe they go home with a smile. So this is sort of the premiere of the feature that I'm going to be having here on my channel called the Random Act of Kindness. So I invite you guys to join along. So this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. This is my little Be Happy or Be the Change Bumblebee that I created, a little amigurumi, and I wanted to share him with you. Thanks so much for watching. As always, please, please, please share this channel with your friends. Let people know what we're doing over here. We've also got the tutorials and the book reviews and everything else that's going on. Having so much fun, getting so many more friends here, and I just love it. So, but let them know definitely about our little, my little Ripple for Change. It's on Facebook, Ripple for Change, and my little Ripple for Change movement that I'm doing. I think little small things like this can make a big difference, just like a stone as a ripple in a pool of water. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, and as always, I'll see you soon.